Ladies and gentlemen, the reason why this event is happening tonight is that we are very proud to introduce to you the Maize Morado Purple Corn Juice Drinks, a rare discovery, a superfood product which is rich in phenolics and anthocyanins from Peru of South America. A genuine purple corn grows only on mountain tops of Peru, standing some 10,000 feet above sea level, and also along coastlines. The plant is constantly exposed to the elements and especially to the sun's UV rays and has no choice but to fight for survival. Maize Morado Purple Corn Juice Drinks is a sweet and healthy Peruvian beverage made from pure purple corn cob extract, blackcurrant, and stevia. In addition, blackcurrants have plenty of antioxidants, vitamin C, and anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are water-soluble blue plant pigments and are in category of plant chemicals known as flavonoids. Anthocyanins are responsible for the purple, blue, and red colors found in many plants today. Anthocyanins often act as antioxidants and are known to fight off harmful free radicals. What is anthocyanins? It is the one responsible on the pigmentation of plants and fruits, cell protector and booster, stimulates connective tissue regeneration, promotes the formation of collagen. Maize Morado corn contains 3 powerful anthocyanin antioxidants: cyanidin-3 glucoside, pelargonidin, and peonidin. Like other anthocyanins, they exhibit radical scavenging properties, protecting our cells from oxidative damage and reducing our risk of cancer and heart disease. A number of studies suggest that cyanidin-3 glucoside improves blood vessel function and cardiovascular health, lowers cholesterol level, improves vision, inhibits the growth of colon and lung cancer cells, minimizes the effects of aging, prevents obesity and diabetes. Some studies show that pelargonidin exhibits anti-diabetic effects. Research indicates that peonidin inhibits the growth of cancer cells, exhibits anti-inflammatory properties. Discoveries of doctors and scientists. According to the Dr. Hugo Castro Malaspina, purple corn also favors the weave regeneration, prevents cardiovascular diseases, slows down degenerative processes in general, has anti-wrinkles action, increases the sanguineous flow, and stimulates the diuretic action. Dr. Monica Giste, an expert in plant nutrients, they found that foods with the highest levels of compounds were most effective at slowing cancer growth. In particular, the exotic purple corn stopped the growth of colon cancer cells and also killed 20% in lab tests. Dr. Oz, cardiothoracic surgeon, TV host, and author. Purple foods go in and prevent damage while helping to heal damage that has already been done. The deeper the color, the better. Purple foods reduces the risk for heart attacks and stroke. Dr. Takanori Tsuda, a scientist in University in Kyoto, Japan, he revealed that purple corn prevents humans not to gain weight and prevents humans from suffering hypertrophy in the adiposities of the fat tissues. Recent studies of vegetables containing high concentrations of anthocyanins, the pigment that imparts the vibrant color found in purple corn, have identified a number of important health benefits. Lowers blood pressure. As reported in the February 2007 Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology, Japanese scientists conducted a study on 2 hypertensive test groups. One group was fed a diet including 1% purple corn and one was not. For the group that was given purple corn, blood pressure and heart rate decreased, as compared with the control group, thus proving its anti-hypertensive capabilities. Helps reduce cancer. A research study conducted by Ohio State University's Assistant Professor of Food Science, Monica Guste, demonstrated that anthocyanins from purple corn helped to reduce cancer growth in test subjects by 50%. Not only did it stop growth in test subjects, anthocyanins killed 20% of in vitro cancer cells as well. And while putting a halt to cancer cell growth, anthocyanins left the surrounding tissue essentially unaffected. Anti-obesity potential. In 2003, a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology, test groups were administered a high-fat diet with anthocyanin C3G and one without the presence of C3G. After 12 weeks, the group fed the high-fat diet with C3G, proved to be far less likely to develop obesity. Prevents diabetes. Antioxidants do many wonderful things for our health, and one of those things is to support blood sugar balance. In a 2003 study by Tuda, 2 groups ate a rich in fat diet for 12 weeks, but one was given the anthocyanin C3G and one was not. The group that was given C3G did not show any signs of low blood sugar or hyperglycemia, too much insulin in the blood, hyperinsulinemia, or increased serum leptin levels, hyperleptinemia, all of which are signs of diabetes. Protects capillaries. A good circulation system is vital to our survival, and our capillaries are the smallest part of our blood vessels. There was a study conducted in Italy on hamsters that sets out to see what effect anthocyanins would have on their circulation system. Research proved that anthocyanins prevented capillary damage by stabilizing capillary walls. Anti-aging and collagen production. The antioxidants found in purple corn are known to fight off free radicals that are responsible for external aging process. These antioxidants help in the regeneration of skin tissue, which in turn have an anti-wrinkle effect. Reduces inflammation. The Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology published a study in 2002 that investigated the anthocyanin C3G found in purple corn. A test group suffered from chemically induced inflammation, then received a dose of C3G. The test group's inflammation was greatly reduced once the C3G was administered. This research demonstrated that anthocyanins in purple corn may have potential benefits in treating inflammatory diseases. Comparative study. Anthocyanin content milligram per 100 gram FW in selected common edible plants. Purple corn has 1,642 milligrams. Other benefits: Maize Morado purple corn juice drinks, rich in vitamin B, C, and E, rich in phytonutrients, help builds healthy tissues, protects your main organ, increase platelet counts, protects your immune system, protects your DNA cells, sweetened with stevia, 19 amino acids, omega-3 fatty acid, 21 trace minerals, protein 13% more than whole wheat, lutein and rich in iron, ORAC value per 100 grams per 7,950 trolex, have excellent antibacterial properties, boost the oxygen in the brain.